Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Pardon the dirty car, but I wanted to show you guys a set of side markers that I purchased off of Amazon. As you can see, they're smoked. I'm going to unlock the car right now. That's what it looks like. It's pretty nice looking. I'll show you what my stock one looks like. Here's the stock one. It's looking pretty rough, yellowed. As you can see, it's starting to crack around the edges. It's yellowing. I'm pretty sure this is common for most people that have an E90 on their original side marker. Again, the car is dirty, but I've done the headlight conversion, tail light conversion, and that was one of the last eyesores on the car. Looks pretty clean and blends into a black car quite nicely. There's a few options to choose from on Amazon. I went for this one because it seemed to be the most classy looking. I'll put on the hazard so you can see what they look like when they're running. I wanted a smoked one with an amber LED inside. If you look, you'll see it's kind of hard to make out, but there's one at the back, one at the middle, and then one around the front here. All my turn signals are LED based. That's the last remaining incandescent bulb on the car. It really doesn't look that great. So I'll show you guys how to get this thing replaced on your car. Alright, for starters, you're going to want to push from the front toward the back. And then when you have it in that position, you kind of rock forward from the front. Pretty easy. Now you want to pull it out and disconnect this harness. Like so. And here's a better look at the condition of this thing. The bottom side is clear, much more clear because it hasn't been exposed to the sun like the top side. Next up, you want to get yourself a pick tool and insert it here so you can rock, turn this counterclockwise. Once you get it above that little lip there, you'll be able to continue to turn it, like so. Now you want to remove the bulb. Here's what I bought off Amazon. And I'll put a link in the description where you can buy this. That's what they look like. So now you're going to want to insert this. It just looks like a bulb, the end of the bulb. And bring back this harness, plug it in. It's a pretty snug fit, so you don't have to worry about it coming loose. Plug it in. And let's put the hazards on and see if it lights up. So we can see it lights up, we're good. Considering it's an LED, you probably can only put it in one way, but on this side and the other side it worked first shot, so maybe it automatically sorts that out for you. Tuck this away. That's it. A little finicky, but not hard at all, and it fits flush. Not bad at all. As you can see, it looks pretty good. You should be able to do this in about 5 minutes, both sides. So it's got a smoked look, but it's still kind of got some silver to it, so it doesn't look too off. It looks pretty good, pretty clean. So overall, a pretty nice improvement. Pretty clean. Freshens up the look of the car, especially once you start refreshing trim, headlights, and whatnot. You'll start to really notice the things that are perished. Hopefully you found this video useful if you're looking to refresh the side markers on your E90 with upgraded LED side markers that are pretty much plug and play and smoked. That shows you how to do it. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description as to where you can buy these. Just as an FYI, I upload regularly, so if you like this type of content, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and good luck.
Wow.